Today is lesson 1.9, Mental Math Strategies for Subtraction. Our essential question is, what mental math strategies can you use to find the difference? Our problem of the day is a total of 813 students attend Rockland School. Of these students, 162 are third graders. Which is the best estimate of the number of students who are not third graders? So using the cubes method, we know that we can circle the numbers 813 and 162. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the question, which is the best estimate of the number of students who are not third graders? We know the clue word is going to be estimate, so we need to be estimating. So we're going to take 813 and we're going to round it to the nearest hundred, which would be 800. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take 162 and we're going to estimate it and make it into the nearest hundred, which would be 200. When we subtract these two, 800 minus 200, we would be getting 600. So that is our answer. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking math problems like 63 minus 49, and we're going to be making it easier by using strategies that we use daily. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this number line. I see that we're taking 63 and we're subtracting 49. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to start on the number line at 49, and we're going to make jumps to make it easier. So I know that if I need to make 49 an easier number, 50 is right next to it. So I'm going to do 50 right here, and I'm going to have plus 1 because 49 plus 1 equals 50. Next, what I'm going to do is then I'm going to make the 63 into a 64 because I added 1 to the 49, so I need to add 1 to the 63. So now our problem would be 64 minus 50. When I subtract those, I then know that my answer is 14 because I'm subtracting 64 and then I'm subtracting 50, which is a 10, which would be a little easier for place value. Our next problem, we're going to do it a little different than that. We are going to find the difference between these. So our first one is 61 minus 24. So we're going to start at 61 and we're just going to keep doing frog jumps until we get the answer. So the first one, we're going to subtract 10 because that's an easy number. So we're going to do minus 10. All right, so we know that we still have another 10 left because there's two 10s here. So we're going to subtract another 10. So far we have minus 10 and minus 10. So 61 minus 10 is 51. Then 51 minus 10 would be 41. And now what we need to do is we need to subtract that 4 because we have that left over. So 4. So 41 minus 4 would be 37. So my answer to 61 minus 24 would be 37. So now what I want you to do on your Post-it is take 74 minus 28, using the same method of counting back using frog jumps. So you'll start your number line and you need to show the number line, 74, and you need to use frog jumps. Your hint is you should have 2 big jumps and 1 smaller jump, looking at this place value. So again, 74 minus 28.